Hello friends! Today, as you can see, we're at the very beautiful location. We're at Alabama Hills in California, and we're exploring, and we're about to drive onto Whitney Portal. But before we do that, we decided to stop and make a little belly dance instructional video for you, because we haven't done it in a while. And today, I would like to talk about the figure 8. As you know, figure 8 is a very important movement in belly dance, since it symbolizes the eternity and the never-ending infinite life. So as passed on from generation to generation, from a woman to a woman, belly dancing has always been a dance that symbolizes infinity. So today we would like to talk about the infinity and the figure 8, which is a hip figure 8, a downward figure 8, one of my most favorite dance moves in belly dance. So what we're gonna do is remember our posture. Always knees are soft knees, feet a little bit narrower than shoulder distance apart, straight back, and pull your shoulders to the back, and imagine as if you have a thread attached to your solar plexus and somebody is pulling you up towards the sky, and your chin is up and your pelvis is neutral. So your butt is not sticking out because that can hurt your lower back. You have neutral pelvis, and you're relaxed and you're ready to belly dance. So we'll start with our right hip, and what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my knees too. You're going to pick your right hip and right heel up, all the way up, as if you're trying to touch your rib cage with your hip. So pull it up, and then very slowly start stretching your hip to the right, as if there's an invisible wall here, and you're trying to touch that wall with your hip. So you're picking it up and then stretching down, stretching it, and then putting your hip and heel down. And then we're going to do the same on the left. Left hip and heel go up, stretch all the way to the left, put it down, up, down, up, left, down, up, right, down, up, left, down, up, right, down, down, down. When you can see the knees, it's not looking that hot, I know. That's why you never see the belly dancer's knees. So it's up, right, down, up, left, down, up, right, down, up, left, down. You can add the arms with it, so you can add the wrist circles and go up, and then down. And let's try one more time. Up. And then you can do different variations. You can do it slow, you can do it fast, you can do it in one place, or you can try to go down on your knees, which you can see that one a lot, and then come back up. And you can also turn while you do it. Turn, look up, and then you always use it with the variation using the wrist circles. So this is it. This is how you do the vertical downward figure 8. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to us on YouTube and on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.